So, today is going to be a very fun day because I am going to be cleaning my closet. And you guys probably already know because of the title, but this is going to be a real challenge and task for me. Since I don't share a closet, everything I have in this closet is all of my stuff. From the toys to the dresses to the shirts to the pants, everything I have in this closet is all mine. And I have to do it myself because my brothers won't help me and I have no one to share with, so it's basically all my job and I have to do it myself. So this is going to be a real task for me because I haven't cleaned my closet in a while and it's been like 6 months already, and I just pile my clothes into my closet. I don't even fold them, and when I'm really like excited and like energized and everything, I do like to clean my stuff, but when I'm not, I just pile them into my closet and just hope that it won't break my closet door, because by the weight, every time it falls, it puts weight on the closet door. And since my closet door is slide, I can't really pull it and open it, so I have to slide it and then it opens. So I'm interested about how this turns out to be. I mean, who even wants to clean their closet? Like, who even enjoys cleaning it? And I know many people in the world don't have organized closets. They're just messy. I mean, some people in the world may have organized closets that are clean and that are not messy, organized, and really perfect. But I know that's not me. I really wanted to do this in a while because my clothes have been damaged because of how I pile them onto each other on the ground in my closet. And I don't normally look through them to see which ones are big for me, which ones are small for me, which ones don't even fit me at all, and which ones I had since like forever, and which ones don't match my style, fit my style, or how I'm going for these days. So now I thought it would be a great idea because my closet was really unbearably messy. So yeah, anyways, let's get on to the video. So I emptied my whole closet. I'm just gonna put all the clothes back in, and I have my little rack over there. I emptied my whole this thing. It's kind of bending. It's bending. I have to buy a new one. I have like a bunch of clothes, and they all, because of the way, it started bending and now it has this weird shape. But I'm gonna use it till it's broken. Yes. So I took all my toys out, and I have all my toys. I kept it outside in the car. Everything that I don't need, I'm gonna keep them on my bed, but the rest I need, I'm gonna put it in my closet. So let's start off by hanging up my clothes. So these, I need this one. I'm gonna keep the longer dresses on the side and the shorter dresses in the middle so that it's kind of like a rainbow, but it leaves space for that if I want to keep anything on that. I'm watching The Deep on Netflix. I get bored, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I finished hanging up all the clothes. So past this are all the international like Asian clothes, and over here are the Western styled clothings. So I finished hanging that up. Now I need to fill in this area and fold all these clothes on my bed. Some are folded, but I need to make sure they're properly folded and I can fit them in well. So I have to find a way to fold them flat so that I can fit multiple in a rack. So that's gonna take a while, but let's get on to it. these are the pants that I don't wear, so I'm going to keep them aside, and I'm going to keep them in the donation pile. Stop. So my mom's outside. We're gonna go give something to our friend, and we're gonna be back. So this is like a short break.
What are you doing?
I'm recording. I'm sweating.
Imagine if we don't have AC, then what will happen?
There's so many campers over here, and they're big. It's so hot today. The temperature is 37 degrees. It's 37 and it's really hot. Something wrong with our AC in our car, so we have to leave the windows open. But fresh air is good. I think in like 2017, before we came, there was a flood where we live. So I think the whole place down there was flooded. I'm not really sure, but that's what I heard. But the houses down there are really pretty, and our friends live down there, so we went there and it was really beautiful. We're finally here. This is my mom's friend's house where we live. The view over here is really pretty. And this whole building is solar power. That's the solar thing where the sun shines. But when the sun isn't shining, I wonder how it works. But yeah, that uses the sun's energy, and it powers the whole building. I'm in the car alone. That was very short. Now we're gonna head back home, and I have to continue doing my folding. So over there, those houses, the brown fence, I don't know if you can see, by the green garbage bins.
The black car.
Over there, the black and red car, that's where Umeza lives. And she's my friend. So that's where she lives, and my mom's other friend lives over here in these apartments. So these houses over here are really pretty, so I guess they had to remake everything. These condos, these are like twin houses, I don't know. They're called something, I forgot. But these are really pretty too. They look modern and I love them, absolutely love them. So in these condos, that's where Fez lives. That's his car, the Audi over there. So that's where they live. So we go to their house. Sometimes we bike. Our house is just down the hill. So we go up the hill together. It's almost 2 kilometers from there, but it's really nice to bike. My brothers don't want to, but I do. I like biking. So that's our camper over there. It looks so tiny, but yeah, that's where we parked ours because driveway. That was a nice and relaxing ride. Now let's go back to folding our clothes and being miserable. When I said being miserable, I chose to clean my closet, but I'm just acting like I was forced to. But my whole room is a mess, and I want to just lay on the bed and watch TV normally and not have to clean this up. But let's go back to cleaning it up. Cleaning up, I found this like a suitcase thing, and it's really cool. There's nothing in there though, but if we go camping again, I'm gonna probably take this and have keep some stuff in there. Meanwhile, I am finally done cleaning my closet. It looks so much better now. I swear, this was over there on the other side. Now I kept it over here and switched it up a little. The top is kind of messy, but okay. And wow, I feel so clean now. It's all so better, but now I have to fit all this stuff in there. That makes it less clean, but where else can we keep it? So I found this. This is what I made, and this is what I made at a birthday party. I made Namira with an owl. I painted this wood, and it looks so pretty. So I want to add this somewhere. I'm gonna keep this over here for now, and then I'm just so creative. I find any garbage and just turn it into stuff, but I'm gonna throw this away. It's not useful. It's already night, so I think it's gonna take a day, or I mean, it already took half a day, but depends on how fast I start working. But I guess I'm gonna keep working, take some movie breaks. I'm gonna watch a movie while cleaning, and probably go to bed after and finish up the rest in the morning. I have to use that for something. I'm gonna do that. But yeah, that's all. Obviously, I'm not gonna stop here. I'm gonna continue cleaning, you know. I'm gonna watch. So in this, I keep all my birthday cards that I have. These are just memories, and I like to keep them to remind me of my memories of my birthdays. It's day 2, and I have to continue cleaning my room because obviously I can't leave my room a mess for a long amount of time because I can't sleep in my room or use my room. So I had to sleep in my brother's room, the bunk bed. So now I have to continue cleaning, and I have to put all of this in my closet, fit everything, and see what I do with the rest. And I thought to clean the rest of my room as well because I thought this would be a perfect time. So I was going to clean the rest of my room after I clean my closet first, and that is all done. But now I have to fit everything in my closet, and then I'll get on to cleaning my room, cleaning the dresser, the nightstand, and wiping everything off, making it dirt-free. So let's get back to that. Now I am cleaning my dresser top. I took everything off of the dresser and kept it on my bed. And now I took the towel out, and I use this towel. This is the towel I used to use for my face, but now I don't use it because I got new towels. So I wiped the dust off first, then I wiped it off with a wipe. And this is what I used to wipe my dresser top and my nightstand. So I placed everything where it belongs, and I kept everything how it is supposed to be. Now I'm cleaning my nightstand. I wiped everything off before I used the wipes, and I cleaned it thoroughly, make sure there was no dust on the sides. I cleaned the stand of the lamp as well because it was very dusty, and I sneeze a lot when there's dust around, so it's just like a thing that happens to me. So then after I placed everything where it's supposed to be, the camera isn't supposed to be like that. I'm using the stand for it. So after I washed my hands for 20 seconds and I washed it thoroughly, make sure that all the bacteria is gone, all the dirt is leaving my hands. I can see it on the sink. But I washed it away thoroughly. Make sure you guys wash your hands as well for safety and wash it for 20 seconds or a minute. I decided to keep my Namira over there. Anyways, that was it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to comment down below what other videos you guys want me to make. But anyways, let's move on to the shoutouts. So today's shoutout goes to Ambreen's Kitchen USA, My Food Temptations, DNW Altaf pahore, as well as Arts and Colors and Kitchen Cook. Thank you guys for commenting on my videos. If you guys want your comments to be featured on my screen, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for 1.28k subscribers. That is a lot. Thank you all so much for your love and support, guys. Let's get to 1k on Instagram and 10k on YouTube. I love you all so much. I hope you have a fantastic day. And see you all in my next video. Bye!